Hi guys, today what we're going to see is a demonstration of net crawling of a particular website on the tool that we're using is Nmap or ZenMap. So basically what we are going to do is find like a set of details using Nmap, or we're basically scanning the website and getting details of that particular website. So what we have to do is we have to select our target website or a web server that we want to do this particular crawling on. So we have to first check if that particular website or web server that we are choosing is online or not, and we can do that by using a ping command. So ping command is basically used to find out if any website is online or not. If it's not online, we cannot run an Nmap scan, so we will not be able to find out the details or the ports or anything about that particular website. It is a very necessary um, checkpoint that the website must be online so that we can crawl it. Now, the website that I'm going to use is www.asfaa.org. That is the website that we use to demonstrate the SQL injection using SQL map. Now, I have done the command ping and we've added the website name. So now it shows that the website is online. Now, what we have to do is, if the particular website is now showing it's online, we need to run the Nmap scan. So next we'll open Nmap or ZenMap. The tool I am using is Nmap. I'm using ZenMap. I'm really sorry. So what we have to do is we have to take the IP address of that website and we have to paste it into the IP target, you can see, in the ZenMap tool. And then we hit on the scan button for ZenMap to scan the website. So we do a quick scan. We can do an entire scanning, but what we've done here is a quick scan. So the IP address of this particular website is 70.32.68.120. So we paste that in the target and then we click on the scan button. So once we do the scanning, it starts Nmapping. That is basically the Nmap starts, and then it scans the report, and now it gives us there are not shown are 90 filtered ports. So now what we can see from this is there are various ports. The port numbers are 21, 22, 80, 110, 143, 443, 465, 587, 993, 995. So it's basically showing all the ports that are open along with the service of that particular port. So we have various services for various ports like FTP, SSH, HTTP, POP3, IMAP, HTTPS, etc. So basically we have done a scanning using ZenMap where we can see the ports of the selected targets along with their ports which are open and along with the service of that particular port.